Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in Windows 11. So guys, first thing is just simply go to the search bar and search for settings and just simply open the settings. Now over here, just simply go ahead and go for network and internet. Now from here guys, you could just simply go for advanced network settings, and from here you could just simply select disable on the internet, and now just simply wait for some time and just simply enable it, and mostly this fixes the issue. Now guys, if it doesn't, you could just simply go for network reset over here and just simply do a network reset, and should be able to fix the issue. If it doesn't, just simply reconnect the Ethernet cable into your router to fix the issue. And mostly I do these steps every time I have these problems. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.